We are here today at Equine Bikers Enterprise, one of RCB's authorized dealer located in Bandar Sri Kembangan, and we are going to demonstrate on how to lace your alloy rim spokes and how to install it on your motorcycle afterwards. We will be using two alloy rims. The width of the front rim will be at 1.4 inches and the rear is 1.6. Both alloy rims are 17 inches in diameter and feature standard 36 holes. These rims will be installed on our Yamaha 125Z. There are two different spokes, the inner spoke and the outer spoke. To identify the difference, the angle of the bands at the flat end for the outer spoke will be smaller than the inner spoke. Each of these spokes required to be inserted into their corresponding holes on both the hub and the rim. Remember to choose the correct size for your spokes relative to the diameter of the rims you are using. First, we start with the outer spokes. The outer spoke will be inserted from the top of the hub. Continue this step until all 9 outer spokes are inserted. Repeat this step for the inner spoke. Insert the inner spoke from below the hub. The final step is to put the wheels back on your bike. Make sure to tighten all bolts to the proper torque specs. Line up your rear wheel with the indicator marks near the axle and set the drive chain tension according to your owner's manual. Once the installation is complete, take your motorcycle for a test run. RCB alloy rims is made tough and reliable while maintaining the classic appearance. Your motorcycle is now ready for the road.